Usha shift ceiling fan, 350 RPM, high speed, brown color. Features: high speed, 350 RPM, high lift angle, off blade, perform well even low voltage, air delivery, 207 meters, 2 years warranty. Choose the perfect fan according to your room size. MRP 2275. Usha toll free number for service. Rod canopy, top canopy, bottom canopy. Shackle assembly. Usha brown color motor condenser barcode and serial number. Serial number canopies cycle assembly rod 2 years warranty. Fan number model number dealer stamp blade brown color high speed Usha